Tag 25. Dili taho.
Reels na.
Oo, reels na taho. Oo.
Libre siya naka.
Tingnan mo, ano kira ka na yaman?
Sa sunod mo na ni mamaligya.
Ni may mo taho.
Taho, pala taho.
Taho, dino diha
Tag
taho.
piso, tag piso taho.
Uy, lugi sa ng piso. 25.
Piso.
Of the year. Oh. Naman na kanay man. Sabot pa sabot ana. Para. Sama na doy.
In the back.
And my first night is Capoeira in Linggo. And then experience it was fun. I have learned so much. And
ay kani kay kapunin ni siya ma-mention ni ay dala kita na ko friend Val. Oh, bukas na niya nga ba ay ako kasama sa real life. Naamo ko dala ko dali ko taga sabon. Ah, sige ani ka go. Dili na. Ayun na. Nag-away pa mi. Oh, kani si
So good morning everyone, my name is Angeli Baker. So I was invited by Heart. So my Heart is my classmate or like classmate ako sa nursing sa UB. And akong experience or na-learn among the lecturers yesterdays who gave their insights, their learnings, and yes. So first is experiencing God's love. So I've learned the three types of men: the natural man, the spiritual man, and the carnal man. And I've also learned the spirit-filled life. So it is important that as we go through with our life, it should have a guidance and faith with our God, because it is not a one-time event. It is a lifelong process. So let us always remember that as we go through our life, let's instill that the values taught by God, the Word of God, and the Gospel should always live in our hearts. Thank you.
Sige, sir, naka-memorize ano eh. Hatagan na po time. No?